What time is it? It is Bible packing time at Heart of America Prison Ministries and Virtual Church Media. We have Bibles and we have Bible packers. Say hello, everybody's got hearts on today. Why? Because it is a Heart of America and there's Bibles, more Bibles, and these are real Bibles. Bibles, all kinds of Bibles. Bonded leather, imitation leather, genuine leather, and their New King James, NIV, and different types depending upon what the prisoners want. And there's my lovely wife, Joanna. Hey. Everybody say hello. Hello. Woo! Thanks for helping. Ship, pack, and send us. I'm David Harabedian, and I approve this Bible packing message.